So hello everybody, and in this video we'll learn to find out if a number is automorphic or not. So for your information, I'd like to tell you what is an automorphic number. An automorphic number is a number whose squares last n digits are equal to the number itself. Suppose 6 is an automorphic number. Why? Because 6 is square, that is 36, ends with 6, which is equal to 6, so it becomes an automorphic number. So while calculating if a number is automorphic or not, we'll have to store we'll have to find out the square and store the number of digits that is in the square, that is in the initial number. Suppose if we are calculating the square of a number that has more than one digit, suppose 11, we are calculating the square of 11 or 12 or 13, we'll have to store that there should be two digits. We should have to calculate the last two digits of that squared number to know if it's automorphic or not. So let's find out. We'll first take int input, enter the number. All right, and we'll store d. We're having store digit form, and now what we're going to do is, sorry, oh my god, I'm having cold right now. Okay, square is equal to 0. Square equals to n of n. Alright, so what we need to do now, we will store the digit in the stored variable while n is not equal to 0. N equals to n divided by 10. Sorry, n by 10. And we will just increment store d. Okay, equals to 1. Alright, good until now. So let's see what our int should be 0 now and store d should be 1 now. Int and store d should be working fine. So now we're entering 45. Okay, store d to 45. Okay, so now what we have to do? Now, we have to check if our square is an automorphic. If the number is automorphic, if its squares last n digits are equal to the number. So what we need to do now is we will create a loop again while store d is not equal to 0, and we'll create a new var where we'll just check if new var is equals to our original variable that was new var that's original or old var. We are storing the value of npin old var. Okay, so what we need to do now, we will just store the value of rem equals to square and our new var is equals to new var will hold the value of rem new var into 10 plus rem. Alright, new var will hold the value of new var, and what we'll do now is we will just 10. Um, and I'm hopping on to use shortcuts now. One. Okay, so store D will decrement now. Store D will decrement now. And let's see, print print new var, comma old var. Suppose okay, I need to just brush everything out. Okay, we go 45. Old var. Oh, okay, okay. Automorphic. Okay, 64, 65, 34. So okay, this one's not an automorphic number. We'll search for 6. Yes, 6. Okay, if old var equals to new var, print automorphic. And now what if we'll give 5, it won't give the same results. And okay, if is 5 an automorphic number? Yes, it is. 5 is an automorphic number. And is 7 an automorphic number? No, nothing. So this was it from this video. See you in the next one.